Please subscribe to our channel for latest update. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Hello and welcome to Piping Official. In this video, we will learn about some basics of pipe flanges. Flanges. The flanges is a ring-shaped device designed to be used as an alternative to welding or threading various piping system components used throughout the piping system. Flange connections are used as an alternative to welding because they can be easily disassembled for shipping, routine inspection, maintenance or replacement. Rating flanges. Rating as applied to flanges may best be defined as maximum pressure allowed by pressure piping code for the specific temperature at which the flange will be operating. Flanges and nozzles are sized according to pressure rating established by the American National Standard Institute. These pressure ratings, sometimes called pound rating, are divided into 7 categories for forged steel. Flanges they are 150, 300, 400, 600, 900, 1500 and 2500 rating. Cast iron flanges have pound rating of 25, 125, 250 and 800 rating. Flange facing. The mating surface of a flange, nozzle or valve is called the face. The face is usually machined to create a smooth surface. This smooth surface will help assure a leak-proof seal when two flanges are bolted together with a gasket sandwiched between. Although numerous types of flange faces are provided, we will focus only the following three. Number 1, flat face, number 2, raised face and number 3, ring type joint. Flat face. The flat face flange has a gasket surface in the same plane as the bolting circle face. Application using flat face flange are frequently those in which the mating flange or flange fitting is made from a casting. Flat face flange are never to be bolted to a raised face flange. ASME B31.1 says that when connecting flat face cast iron flange to carbon steel flange, that raised face on the carbon steel flange must be removed, and that a full face gasket is required. This is to keep the thin brittle cast iron flange from being sponged into the gap caused by the raised face of the carbon steel flange. Raised face. The raised face flange is the most common type used in process plant applications. It is referred to as a raised face because the gasket surface are raised above the bolting circle face. This face type allows the use of a wide combination of gasket design including flat ring, sheet type and metallic composite such as spiral wound and double jacketed types. The purpose of raised face flange is to concentrate more pressure on a smaller gasket area and thereby increase the pressure containment capability of the joint. Diameter and height are in ASME B16.5 defined by the pressure, class and diameter. Pressure rating of the flange determines the height of the raised face. Ring type joint. Ring type joint gaskets are metallic sealing rings suitable for high pressure and high temperature application. They are always applied to special accompanying flange which ensure good, reliable sealing with the correct choice of profile and material. Ring type joint gaskets are designed to seal initial line contact or wedging action between the mating flange and the gasket by applying pressure on the seal interface through bolt force the softer metal of the gasket flow into the microfine structure of the harder flange material and creating a very tight and efficient seal. Here is something which is related to flange, or you can say these are important to connect flanges. Bolts. To complete any flange assembly, two additional items are required: bolts and gaskets. Bolts obviously hold mating flange nozzles or valve together. The pressure rating of a flange will determine the size, spacing and number of bolts required. As the nominal pipe size and pressure rating change, so will the diameter, spacing and number of bolts. Gaskets. The primary purpose of any flange assembly is to connect piping system in such a manner as to produce a leak-free environment. Hazardous and combustible material and extreme pressure and temperature require the utmost in safety precaution. Creating a leak-proof seal between two connecting metal surfaces in an industrial setting is almost impossible. Therefore, gaskets perform a vital function in plant safety. That's it for today guys. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.